Hi, I'm Rowan. Today I'm going to show you how to make cupcakes inside of ice cream cones. Step 1. Add the cake mix. Step 2. Get 3 eggs and crack them in your bowl. Next, you're going to add 1 cup of water. Next, you're going to add half a cup of oil into your bowl. And now we mix. Now I like to taste it. Now you're going to put the batter inside of the cones. Bake at 350 degrees for 19 to 23 minutes. Now is a good time to clean up your mess. Now we put icing on the cake. And now for the last and final step, we decorate the cakes. And now we